What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alex. On this channel we talk about Miatas, automotive painting, and whatever other car projects we get into around here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Cobalt radiator cooling panel from Moss Miata. The kind people over at Moss Miata were awesome enough to send this over for us today to make this video. So we're going to be checking out the product itself and going over how to install it. Also, if you've been following the channel, you'll know that we recently passed 5,000 subscribers. Moss Miata also sent over a bunch of awesome products for us to do a giveaway here. So we've split these into 3 different things, so 3 different people are going to win here. We've got a Leno garage detailing kit. It comes with 2 different products, a spray wax, an interior cleaner, a microfiber towel, some stickers, and an air freshener. You've also got the Moss Miata tote bag and microfibers. The second package is going to be a tumbler mug, some stickers, a key tag, and a screen wipe. And then in the third package, we've got a Moss Miata beanie and t-shirt, as well as a screen wipe and a bottle opener. So you're gonna want to check the link in the description for all the details on the giveaway. I'm gonna run it for 1 week, and then the winner will be announced on next week's video. Alright, so this is the panel. It comes in a nice textured black powder coat finish, or the optional of a brushed finish. It comes with some nice looking stainless steel hardware to attach it. This one is specifically for the 99 to 2005, so the NB. You can see the metal is actually a pretty good thickness. This is not going to bend easily. It's a pretty solid piece. What I like about this particular design of cooling panel is it actually covers all the gaps from the front bumper to the radiator. This thing goes from the front edge of the bumper and covers that gap in between the core support and the radiator. Theoretically, this should provide you with better cooling, ensuring all the air coming through the front of the car gets forced through the radiator. Now, this installation is going to be pretty simple. All you're going to need is a 13mm socket for the new hardware, as well as an Allen key. I found that a 5/32 Allen key fit the hardware pretty good. And the first thing we're going to need to do is remove the radiator stays that hold the radiator. The panel is going to go on before, and then the stays will go back on to hold the radiator. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, with the radiator stay out of the way, the next step is going to be to remove the 10mm bolt on the headlight and the bumper right below the radiator stay. Alright, now with that out of the way, the next thing to do is to install the spacers over those holes where you just removed the 10mm bolts. Now we can drop on our cooling panel. And I'm going to go ahead and start these Allen bolts where those 10mm bolts used to be. After that, to complete the install, just drop your radiator stays back on through the slot and over the stud, tighten the nuts, and the install is complete. So as you can see, this is a pretty simple install. I think it looks really clean under the hood. This is a very easy way to clean up the look of your under hood area and potentially help with cooling by forcing all that air through the radiator. But that is going to do it for this install. If you want to check this out for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below. I want to say another quick thank you for Moss for sending this out for us to check out today. Stay tuned to the channel for more awesome Miata content. We got a lot of great stuff coming up this month. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. But until next time, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome week, and we will see you in the next one.